Get ready for an emotional roller coaster as we showcase incredible rescues and some of the most heartfelt moments ever captured on police body cam. From life-saving heroics to touching encounters, these clips will leave you in awe. Don't miss a moment of these amazing stories.
She's barely. She won't cry.
Watch as Marietta, Georgia police officer Nick St. Ange heroically saves a 2-month-old infant who stopped breathing while drinking a bottle of milk. Captured on dash cam, this incredible rescue shows how Officer St. Ange was in the right place at the right time.
Come on, baby. Hold on. Hold on.
Yeah, I've been doing that also. She just had a bottle. That's all she had.
11-10-7 babies got the eyes open, but not crying.
Yeah, she please.
Eyes are open, but I don't think she's
Ziana? Ziana!
Child appears to be choking, approximately 2 months old.
Hey, baby, she's only like a month and a half.
Okay.
Hey!
Come on.
Ziana! How close are they? Hold up, can I? Ziana!
Ziana, come on, baby.
Hey, baby, come on, baby.
Come on, baby. Breathe for me. Come on, give me a cry. Give me a cry. Come on. Come on.
Shit.
Hold on. I'm gonna keep doing this until fire and EMS get here, okay?
Oh my God. Did you put her like?
I've been trained with CPR for infants here. Where?
Baby, come on, Ziana. Hey.
Hold on.
Ziana. Not breathing at all.
She started to cry a little bit.
Have you tried to do a finger sweep?
Yeah,
She's
I
got
did
some air
that.
moving.
Yeah, she's got some air moving. There's nothing in her mouth right now.
Okay.
Nothing that I can see. I've been giving her about 5 or 6 back thrusts and small compressions here.
Do y'all know?
There we go.
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Do you know for sure that she did get something in her?
The only thing she had was a bottle. I just had her. She just had a bottle.
Oh,
There we go.
She's
There we go.
sweetie. Hi.
She hasn't made those sounds.
Yeah.
She hasn't made any sounds at all since I got here.
Yeah.
Give me the ears.
How old is she?
A month and a half.
Okay. Hey. Can you look at me?
Here you will see how Boulder, Colorado police officers, Sergeant Martinez and Officer Kyle, heroically rescue a toddler who got her head stuck in a railing.
Low. We're going to see if we can't get these bars just to move just a little bit, okay?
I'm gonna try to pry it.
Yeah. Let me do it from the other side. All right, Lenny. Can you move your head up just a little bit? Upwards. A little more. A little more. Up and out.
There you go.
Backwards.
You got it.
Yeah!
Woo! Good thinking.
Go ahead.
3 run 3. You got the child out. You can cancel 5.
Okay, don't ever do it again. Don't stick your head through any bars.
All right. I got you a little bit of police sticker. We might have medical. Just look at her.
Yeah.
Hi. Would you like a sticker? Do you have a brother or sister?
I don't have any.
Wheeler's quick thinking and timely intervention turned a terrifying moment into a miraculous rescue. Grateful mother, Victoria Terrell, calls him a guardian angel for being there just when she needed him most.
If it comes to car wash, I've got a young child choking.
Is it out of your throat, baby? Is it still in your throat? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, gotta get it out, buddy. Bend him over, so that pound on his back.
Bend over.
What's he having in his back? Huh?
Huh?
What's he having? What did he take?
It was a sucker, but there was, oh no.
Quarter.
A quarter, babe.
Is that it?
Can you breathe now? Can you breathe now? Is that all you put in there?
Call center, were you clear?
No. What else did you put in there?
Unit with traffic, central's clear.
Huh?
Okay, I've just got trying to do a Heimlich on him. I got a quarter to come out of his mouth. His face is still pretty blue. He is crying now though, but go ahead and have him come check him out.
In Pensacola, Florida, Officer Anthony Giorgio saved a puppy left in a scorching hot car in a mall parking lot.
622, Quebec.
Where you at?
He fell off the back seat underneath the front, so I don't think he can get out. Sounds like a baby, isn't it?
He's real small. He's like, I want to say maybe 6 months, 9 months old.
182 to Sergeant 73. He appears to be in distress.
Unit 73. 73.
Hey, Sarge, it's 182. This it's a puppy, and I can't see it, but it's crying. It appears to be in distress. Yeah.
Are you at Milk?
Negative. I'm in front of the food court right now. Come here. Come here. Come here, little guy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Puppy, all right.
12, I'm 1097.
Y'all got any water?
I do. It's not really cold because I've had it a little while.
182 to Pensacola.
My hand's got hand cream.
Yeah, 182. Oh,
Hold on, come real quick and get him some water. Where's he at?
Oh, good. Yeah, you got some cool water?
That's hot.
Oh, okay, we'll pour that out. This is not ice cold, but it's cool.
Good.
It's just cool.
Let's get him in the shade, or get him in my car.
Yeah.
Come on, stay down. I will put you right here for right now. Right there. Get this AC. Yeah. I have 2 small.